that healing, sinking in this feeling. Will you be the time, giving me the signs of life? Making you are clear, but you're gonna read me in my tears.
Oh man, if you clicked on the video, you should see right here, right there what I'm riding. Right there, you should see it right there. That's the answer, or the, you know, the little statement, a little stamp on it. Welcome back to the channel, man. How y'all been living? How y'all been feeling? Ooh, some Halloween decorations. Yeah, the neighbors definitely hate me. Definitely. Skip that water. So, I'm gonna it's gonna be like a little short vlog, I guess, on the new bike here. Yes, this is mine. Yes, I did buy this. Some people already knew. Within some of my friend group, I told them before. So this technically isn't like a first ride, because I already rode it. So when I picked up the bike, I had my other helmet, had my other pizza, and I don't have a chin mount for it yet, but I did order some stuff for it. I did order some parts for the bike, which some came in today. I did order some parts. Some came in today, some's coming in. Once I get off the bike, you'll see what other part I need. It literally flew off when I was literally leaving from the dealership. But water. But welcome to the channel again. Changes. I told y'all some changes are coming, man. I was throwing out some hints that the 650 was going to be gone. So this is my dream bike right here. The year I want it to. Let's go! Woo! This is the exact same year bike I wanted. And I'll go more in depth once I get to my location and I'm going to get off the bike. On why I bought this bike besides all the other bikes. Let's go! Oh my God, bro! wanna go this way. I wanna shout out to all the people that supported me along the journey to me getting my first leader bike here. And all the people that congratulated me as well. Shout out to all you guys. Salute to all you guys. Dream come true here. To finally own a leader bike. Not just a leader bike, but my dream bike. What the hell happened over there, bro? Something's always happening, bro. Why is there so much traffic right now? What happened? How the hell? It was like a car flipped over, dude. That lean angle. We are here. I think. Come on, bruh. There it is. Sheesh. And I will explain that part right there to you guys. Alright, guys. Here she is. This right here is my 2020 RSV4. Aprilia. Man. I'm just so... Alright, the guy closed the building. But it's fine. We can come out here, though. So you guys can see the beautiful carbon in it, too. But back to what I was saying. I do need to clean the back rim. Full SC project on there. Came with the bike. Rear sets as well. This part here, so when I got the bike from the dealership, it was on there. Later on at night, I was riding and it came off. But I ordered me a new cowl, and I'm also getting a seat as well for the wife. She's currently not with us, obviously. And also do need passenger pegs as well. But yeah, man, this is the bike here. Got some carbon in here, carbon down here, carbon all through here, all up here. Some shorties on there with, I don't know if you guys see, but it's a little carbon on there. Man, yeah, man, how y'all like it though, man? Y'all think it fits me, man? I have said in before that if I was to get a liter bike, it would be an RSV4. That's going into my next topic. The reason why I bought an RSV4, instead of all the brands that you guys are always used to seeing, and like BMW or R1. The reason being why I bought this, I mean, I got a great deal for it, man. I just noticed that it's gone. That right there is gone. It's fine. The color's gonna change. The way you guys seeing it right here is gonna change. All the red, the green, maybe the gold. I don't know. A lot of people tell me that if it's with the bike, and a lot of people don't have the gold. So I don't know. But the whole color scheme is gonna change. But I mean, yeah. So back to what I was saying. The reason why I got this is, I mean, through a deal like me, I couldn't pass it up. 15K with 2-year warranty on the engine. So, I mean, that's a steal right there, dude. So you can't beat that. And it had the super courses on there too. Full SC Project exhaust. I believe it's tuned. I don't know by who, but I'll probably tune it myself. With probably Steadfast. But I mean, the reason I didn't buy a BMW, I just felt like everyone had one, dude. Everyone just had one. And I wanted to be a little different. I don't really know too many people with RSV4. I only know one person. So I was like, you know what? I'll get an RSV4 then. Reason I didn't buy an R1. So the day that I went to go look at this bike, that same day, that morning, an R1 came in that I told the dealership that I bought my 650 from. I told them to give me a call if an R1 comes in, because I really want an R1 too, because of the crossplane engine. I mean, you can't beat that. But so I didn't really like the numbers and stuff like that. So I was like, you know what? That's when I seen this bike. When I went to the dealership when I bought this bike from, I seen it. But it wasn't out on the floor. It was just coming in for service. Getting all the service done before they put it on the showroom floor. And that same day, I went over there and said, hey, can I go see the RSV4? They said, yeah, but it's not ready yet. It'll be ready in like a week. I said, okay. Went to go see it. As soon as I seen it, I mean, I just fell in love with it. I mean, it has everything I could ever ask for, all the power I need. I mean, it's the perfect track bike right here too, man. So, how you guys like it, man? How you guys like it, dude? And I'll give you guys a little cold start here. Well, not so cold start. Look at the screen though, yo. V4. Yeah. Woo! Jeez Louise. That thing sounds mean, doesn't it? Yeah, man. It's the bike right here, though, y'all. You guys messing with it, y'all? Let me know down in the comments, man. Was this the right leader bike choice? Yeah. But that's all I have for you guys today, though. I'll do a proper ride on it soon. But this is just to show you guys that this is what I bought. All the people on Instagram already know what I bought. If you aren't following me on Instagram, here's my Instagram right here. Everything on when videos are getting posted, or stuff, rollers, or pictures of the bike will be on there. You guys can follow me there. And I'll catch you at the next one, man. If you haven't already, man, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you at the next one, man. Peace.